Just this last month, I made over $5,000 profit selling my products on the TikTok shop. So today I want to break down my product research criteria and how to find winning products that make $1,000 per day. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trent Peterson. I'm a full-time seven-figure e-com seller. And if you didn't know this already, there is a massive opportunity to sell products on the TikTok shop. And if you don't take advantage of it now, you're going to regret it here in a couple years. I've been selling things online for the last 8 years, and I truly haven't seen something so crazy. And literally, TikTok shop is just blowing up. So now is your time to capitalize. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment. And today we're going to dive into my screen and break down how to find these winning products that are doing over $1,000 every single day. So let's jump into my screen, and we're going to be using a tool called Shop Plus. I have a link down below. You guys can get it for 18% off, which is going to be just around $40 a month, which there's other tools that are way more expensive. And this tool is extremely valuable and it is going to really help you scale to that next level inside your TikTok business. So you'll log in and you'll come over here to the left-hand side and you click on this products tab. Then you're going to hit top sales. Right here, you've got some different filters that you're going to be able to basically filter out from country, the category, the price, weekly, daily, monthly, all of that good stuff. And this is where I want to quickly talk about my criteria and what I'm looking for in a product. So the first thing, and when it comes to selling on TikTok, it's super important to find a product that has virality potential. And what I mean by this is, as a TikTok shop seller, you're going to be creating content about your product and posting it to your TikTok account. And if those products are boring and they're products that are hard to make videos about, well, they're not going to go viral and they're not going to sell like you want it. And then when it comes to getting TikTok shop affiliates to promote your product, TikTok shop affiliates are also looking for viral type products and products that are easy to make videos about. So when you're doing product research, try to think from a customer's perspective, from a content creator's perspective, and really dial that process in to find products that have that viral potential. So find products that you're interested in, that you're familiar with, that you use, and that you can make easy viral content about. And if you can do that, then you can really succeed with selling on TikTok. So that's the first thing that I'm looking at. The second thing is the sales revenue. And this is where we want to find a product that has sales, that people actually want to buy. Because if they don't buy it, then why are we trying to sell it? So we're going to be able to reverse engineer that and find sellers that are selling products that are crushing it. And then the third thing is, can we actually come to market with something different? Can we improve it? Can we be competitive at the price point? Can we add some new features? Can we maybe add some bundle or additional items to the product to really make ours that much better? So with that being said, those are some things to look at when finding a product. We're going to filter out these different filters. So the first is go to the country. So we'll click on United States since that's where we're selling. Then you can go to a category, and this is where you want to find a category that, again, that you're familiar with or something that you're passionate about. And one just little side note, avoid the baby category. It's really hard to get ungated and sell baby type products. And so I'm just going to come over here to the sports and outdoors, and you can filter it out between like water sports or sports footwear, outdoor clothing. I probably want to avoid the clothing. But water sports, I mean, summer's coming up, so if you can find kind of a trendy summer item, that could be a great product. But I'm just going to select all right here to the sports and outdoors category. Then we'll come over here to price, and this is where I don't want to sell a product that's too cheap, but I don't want to sell a crazy expensive product. So I'm going to say $20 to $100 as kind of my price point, because as I get cheaper, margins are a little bit thinner. And then as I get more expensive, less people are going to buy it on the TikTok shop because they're like, this is a little expensive for me. So we're going to do 20 to 100. And then we're going to come to the 1 day weekly, and we're going to click on a monthly history. And then from here, you can sort the revenue from highest to smallest, and you're going to be able to scroll and look for products that you're like, hey, this is interesting. And right here's a good one. It's a tire inflator. These things are popping off. I mean, it's doing $284,000 in the last 30 days. So this is a product that you could definitely look at, and it's selling for $45, so it's a good price point. You can scroll down and see if we see anything else. We got a rangefinder. That's a pretty cheap rangefinder, and I come from a golfing background. Like, I've bought in rangefinders that are like $200-300. So for one that's $45, That's absolutely insane. And so if you can go and be competitive at that price point, that could be something that you look at. And they've done $200,000 in the last 30 days, which is crazy. We've got these stepper machines. So for exercising, like this is the most simple basic product. And like you could get just a bunch of people using this and you could make a bunch of content about that. So there's another one. They're doing 143,000. We've got a foldable trampoline that's done 141,000. This is something that I'm definitely like, hey, this is interesting. Like they're using this tramp, and it's just this little mini portable tramp for fitness. And you could definitely make a lot of content using this tramp. And then you could also find a lot of affiliates that are fitness related that would be able to create content about. So that's another one. And when I find ideas, I'm just going to favorite them. So literally we're coming across product after product and we're finding tons of different ideas that are kind of interesting. And then there's a lot of clothing. Clothing is hard, and I probably wouldn't recommend it on the TikTok shop. I mean, this one, since it's like a skirt, the sizing, I don't know. It's just with the sizing and returns, and everyone has different body shapes and sizes, and so it's just a little bit more complex, and then you have variations, and it just adds a lot of complexity to the business that you don't really need. So if you can find a product that is kind of just a one variation, one size fits all, that's kind of ideal. So we've got this tactical backpack, so maybe you want to create the best backpack on the market. So that's something to look at. We've got this laundry basket. This is something so simple that is doing $40K a month. So that's over $1,000 every single day. And this one actually gets me pretty excited. Like I'm looking at this and this laundry hamper, like that thing is incredible. And they sell it for $65. They've got some decent reviews. And what you can do, and this is kind of to the last part, is you can go read the reviews from this seller and see what they're saying good about it and what they're saying bad. And then you can go and improve it and fix it. And then when you launch your product, you can go in and destroy the competition. So I'm definitely going to add that to my favorites as something that I could potentially start selling as soon as I go and find that manufacturer. So that's a really cool idea. And again, we've just scrolled and we've only gotten down to 61 products. And here's another one. We've got some fishing scissors, which this is something that I love to do. And this would definitely be up my alley, is selling a fishing type product. And so this one right here, I definitely want to add to my favorites because I can definitely find a way to improve it or add some different features to the product and sell that. I mean, they're doing over 30K in the last 30 days, so they're doing $1,000 every single day with that product. So just like that, we found a few products in the sports and outdoors category. We can come over here to the pet supplies. So let's say you have a dog and you or a cat or whatever it may be, and you're like, hey, I want to sell this cat product. So like right here, this 2-in-1 scratcher cardboard lounge bed, they're doing $67,000 in the last 30 days. This is a simple, easy product that literally anyone could sell. You could go find a supplier and you could go get this manufactured. You could kind of create a different design and boom, just like that, you have a winning idea. So literally the process is pretty simple. Going in and just looking for products that have proven sales history, that have good margins, and then the ability to make viral content about, and then again, lastly, a way for you to improve and differentiate the product. If you can do that, you can go out and crush it on the TikTok shop. So go use Shop Plus to identify these opportunities, and you're going to be able to take advantage of this platform, this goldmine of an opportunity, and start selling your products. And if you guys want, I have a free training that I put together that goes through the entire process where we create the account, we find the product, we find the manufacturer, we create the product listing. Like I walk you through the entire process. So I'll put that link down below. And I just want to reiterate and put a lot of emphasis that this is a massive opportunity and you need to take action immediately. The people that are taking action are literally printing money. And as you can see, these basic, simple products are generating thousands of dollars every single day, and that could be you. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more content, and let me know in the comments what content you would like to see in the future. And again, thank you, and we will see you in the next one.